Tired of the stubborn belly fat that won't go away? You're not alone, and this is the video that's going to finally make a difference. In just 1 week, you'll be doing 10 powerful exercises that are proven to work at home. No equipment, no gimmicks, just results. Stick around until the end and you'll unlock the real secret to seeing and feeling a change. Hey there, welcome to the channel that's all about real transformation without expensive gyms or crazy diets. If you're new, I'm Lena Jones, and I'm here to guide you through simple, powerful routines that get results. Today we're diving into a 1-week belly fat blast, 10 exercises that target your core, raise your heart rate, and kick your metabolism into gear. You don't need to be an athlete to do these. You don't even need a lot of space. What you do need is a little time, some energy, and the willingness to commit to just 7 days. Belly fat is one of the most stubborn areas to deal with. It's not just about how it looks, it's about how it makes you feel. These exercises are designed to activate your entire core, burn serious calories, and start carving out that strong, flat stomach you've been aiming for. You'll feel stronger, move better, and see changes if you stay consistent. And here's the best part, we're building a community. So if you're with me, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with "I'm in" for 7 days. Let's do this together. Let's get stronger, healthier, and more confident from home. Exercise 1. High knees. High knees might look simple, but this cardio core combo is a fat-burning furnace when done right. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Start running in place, lifting your knees as high as you can toward your chest. Drive your arms in sync to add momentum and burn more calories. The key here is intensity. This isn't a jog. You want to explode upward with each knee drive. The faster and higher your knees go, the more you activate your abdominal muscles, especially the lower abs that are often hard to target. This move does 2 powerful things at once. First, it raises your heart rate, almost instantly triggering fat loss through cardio conditioning. Second, it forces your core to engage repeatedly as you stabilize your body with every stride. That's how you start melting off stubborn belly fat in just a week. Start with 45 seconds on, 15 seconds rest. Complete 3 rounds. Focus on breathing rhythmically and keeping your posture upright. You want your shoulders back, chest open, and core tight throughout. Even if you're a beginner, you can modify this by slowing down the pace or reducing the duration. The point is to stay moving and keep your core muscles activated. This is the perfect first move because it wakes up your entire system, sets the tone for the rest of the workout, and starts incinerating calories fast. Let's get moving and feel that burn right away. Exercise 2. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers combine the power of cardio and core sculpting into one explosive move. Start in a high plank position, hands directly under your shoulders, body straight like a board. From here, drive your knees one at a time toward your chest as fast as you can, like you're sprinting horizontally. What makes this move so effective for belly fat? Every time you draw a knee in, your abs have to brace to maintain balance and control. This targets your entire abdominal wall, especially the lower abs, which are often the most stubborn. But there's more, it's also a full body burner. Your shoulders, chest, arms, and legs are all working together, making this a calorie-torching powerhouse. The faster you go while keeping form, the more fat you burn. Do this exercise for 45 seconds followed by a 15-second rest. Aim for 3 rounds. Keep your hips low and avoid letting your back sag. It's all about staying strong and tight in the core. If you're a beginner, slow the pace. Step 1 foot in at a time instead of running. What matters most is staying consistent and keeping that core engaged. This move alone, when done daily, can significantly accelerate fat loss around the belly. It's fast, dynamic, and guaranteed to push your limits. Keep going, you're not just moving your body, you're reshaping it. Exercise 3. Bicycle crunches. Let's dive into one of the best of defining exercises ever, bicycle crunches. Lay flat on your back, hands behind your head, elbows wide. Lift your legs, bend your knees, and start pedaling in the air. As you extend one leg out, twist your torso to bring the opposite elbow toward the knee that's coming in. This movement is brilliant because it hits the entire abdominal area, upper abs, lower abs, and the obliques. It mimics a twisting motion that forces your core to work harder than in traditional crunches, giving you both fat burning and sculpting benefits. The secret? Controlled movement. Don't rush through it. Focus on feeling every twist. Imagine wringing out your waist like a towel with every rotation. That's how you tighten your midsection and eliminate excess fat. Do 20 slow and steady reps on each side. Rest for 20 seconds and repeat for 3 sets. Make sure your lower back stays pressed into the mat and you don't yank your neck. If you're a beginner, keep your legs higher off the ground or move more slowly. That reduces the strain while still activating your abs. This move brings real definition and helps flatten the belly quickly when paired with fat-burning exercises. Add it to your daily rotation and you'll start to feel tighter, stronger, and more confident within days. Exercise 4. Plank hip dips. This one's for those who want a strong, stable core and a more defined waist. Plank hip dips are the way to go. Start in a low plank position, elbows under shoulders, body in a straight line. Now slowly rotate your hips to the right and let them dip just above the ground. Then rotate to the left. That's 1 rep. This move strengthens your entire transverse abdominis, which is the deep muscle layer that wraps around your core like a corset. It also hits your obliques, which are essential for trimming down the sides of your waist. What makes it amazing for belly fat loss is that it combines static strength with dynamic motion. You're holding a plank, which is already a great fat-burning move, and adding movement to challenge your core from all angles. Try 20 dips per side, slow and steady. Focus on keeping your hips controlled, don't just swing them side to side. Quality over speed here. If it's too difficult, drop your knees and perform mini dips. It still works wonders. Add this move to your workout and you'll start building a core that's not just tight but also functionally strong. Plus, this one's great for your posture and lower back too. Exercise 5. Leg raises. Leg raises are your go-to move for targeting the lower part of the belly, a spot that's notoriously tough to tone. Lie on your back, hands under your glutes, legs extended straight. Slowly lift both legs up to a 90-degree angle, then lower them down without touching the floor. Repeat. Why is this so effective? Because it puts your lower abs under constant tension. This isolation is where true fat burning and muscle activation happen. The key is control. If your legs fall too quickly, your abs miss the work. Aim for 12 to 15 reps, 3 sets. Exhale as you lift, inhale as you lower. Your abs should feel like they're doing all the work. If you feel pressure in your lower back, raise your legs a bit higher or bend your knees slightly. This makes the move safer while still keeping your abs engaged. Stick with this and you'll start seeing real change in your lower belly area. It strengthens your core from the bottom up and complements other full body fat burning moves perfectly. Exercise 6. Russian twists. Russian twists are a staple in core training for good reason. They target the obliques, the muscles along the sides of your abdomen, helping carve a more defined waistline. Here's how you do them. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat. Lean back slightly, keeping your spine straight, and clasp your hands together in front of your chest. Now twist your torso to the right, then to the left, touching your hands to the floor each time. The twisting motion engages your entire core, especially the side abs, and helps tighten and tone those love handle areas that are hard to reach with traditional crunches. To make it more challenging, raise your feet off the floor and balance on your sit bones. This engages your lower abs and balance muscles, giving you a complete core burn. If you're a beginner, keep your feet grounded and move slower to focus on good form. Aim for 20 twists per side. Control is key. Don't swing your arms, twist from the waist. Keep your core tight and shoulders relaxed. This exercise may feel intense, but that's the point. You're teaching your core to stay strong under movement, which is essential for burning belly fat and shaping a leaner silhouette. Make it count and twist with purpose. Exercise 7. Flutter kicks. If you want to zero in on stubborn lower belly fat, flutter kicks are your best friend. They're deceptively simple but incredibly effective. Lie flat on your back with your hands under your hips for support. Lift both legs a few inches off the floor. Now alternate kicking them up and down in a quick controlled motion, keeping them off the ground. This continuous motion keeps your lower abdominals fully engaged, helping to burn fat and build strength where most people struggle to tone. It's not just about speed, it's about control. You want to move with intent and keep your core braced throughout the entire set. Do 45 seconds of kicks, rest for 15 and repeat for 3 rounds. Your abs will feel like they're on fire, and that's exactly how you know it's working. To modify, raise your legs slightly higher or perform slower kicks. Just don't let your lower back arch off the floor. Keep it pressed down to protect your spine and keep the tension on your core. Flutter kicks build endurance, burn fat, and sculpt the lower half of your six-pack. Add them into your daily belly fat workout routine, and you'll notice that stubborn pouch start to tighten over time. Stay focused, each rep is progress. Exercise 8. Standing side crunches. Don't like lying on the ground? No problem. Standing side crunches deliver serious core results while keeping you on your feet, and they add a bonus of burning extra calories through full body movement. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, hands behind your head, elbows out. Lift your right knee toward your right elbow as you crunch sideways, engaging your obliques. Return to standing, then repeat on the left. That's 1 rep each side. This movement is more than just a crunch. It's a dynamic fat-burning motion that combines cardio with core sculpting. You're working your waistline from the sides, helping reduce the muffin top area while also improving balance and coordination. Do 15 to 20 reps per side. Focus on squeezing your side abs at the top of each movement. Don't just flap your elbow and knee together, really contract your core and move with control. Want more intensity? Add a light dumbbell or water bottle in each hand for extra resistance. Standing exercises like this one are amazing for building functional strength while keeping your heart rate up, meaning your torching calories and belly fat at the same time. It's simple, safe, and effective for all fitness levels. No floor, no fuss, just real results. Keep moving. Exercise 9. Reverse crunches. When it comes to belly fat, the lower abs are usually the last to show and the hardest to tone. Reverse crunches target that area directly. Lie on your back, legs bent, feet off the floor, and knees stacked over your hips. Place your arms beside you for support. Now lift your hips off the floor, pulling your knees toward your chest. Control the movement, back down and repeat. Think of curling your spine upward from the tailbone. It's a subtle but powerful motion. Unlike traditional crunches that strain the neck or focus more on upper abs, reverse crunches isolate the lower abs, helping tighten and flatten the lower belly. Perform 15 reps per set. Focus on lifting with your abs, not using momentum. The slower you go, the more effective it is. And if you want an extra challenge, extend your legs out completely after each rep to increase resistance. Make sure your hands aren't doing the work, your abs should be pulling your knees in. Keep your breathing steady, exhale as you lift. This is one of the best floor moves for real visible lower belly fat loss when done consistently. It's intense, yes, but it gets the job done. You're almost at the finish line. Keep going. Exercise 10. Burpees. Burpees are the ultimate finisher. They're intense, sweaty, and incredibly effective for burning belly fat fast. Here's how to do them. Start standing. Drop into a squat, kick your feet back into a plank, do a push-up, then jump your feet forward and leap into the air with arms overhead. That's 1 rep. This full body move combines cardio, strength, and explosive power. Every muscle gets involved, from your core and legs to your chest and arms. That's why burpees are a fat-burning machine and a perfect way to end your workout. The movement also spikes your heart rate, quickly triggering afterburn, meaning your body keeps burning calories even after you've stopped moving. Start with 10 burpees. Rest 30 seconds. Do 3 rounds. If you're a beginner, step back instead of jumping and skip the push-up. You'll still get great benefits without compromising form. Burpees torch fat, build strength, and test your endurance. When done consistently, they can dramatically improve your core stability and total body conditioning, which translates into faster, more visible results. You've made it this far, don't hold back now. Give it your all in these last few reps. Your transformation starts with finishing strong. You did it. You made it through 10 powerful exercises designed to help you lose belly fat at home in just 1 week. These weren't just random moves. Each one was carefully chosen to target your core, elevate your heart rate, and burn fat effectively with no equipment needed. Whether you're a beginner or you've been working out for a while, the secret is consistency. Doing this full circuit every day for 7 days will help you tighten your core, boost your energy, and start seeing real change in your waistline. But let's be honest, it's not just about the abs. It's about feeling confident when you look in the mirror. It's about showing up for yourself even when you feel tired. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports your health, strength, and happiness. So what's next? Hit that like button if you felt the burn. Subscribe to join our growing fitness family. And drop a comment below with finished day 1 so we can cheer you on and support you through the full 7 days. Save this video and come back to it daily. Track your progress, stay hydrated, and don't forget, real change doesn't happen in one workout, but it starts with one decision. Thanks for sweating with me today. I'm proud of you. Let's keep going, 1 rep at a time.